There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S, divas.
What's up, divas? What's up, divas? What's up, divos? It's your girl A, and you already know we back to Slay Tuesday. Okay. I hope you all are having like an amazing day. It's still the new year, so I hope you all have like an amazing 2026. Hope y'all staying positive, staying motivated, and definitely staying out the way and minding your business, okay? Because I really do like to mind mine. But what's up, y'all? Y'all already know this is one of my favorite low budget or budget friendly wig companies where you can get really great units that are already pre-everything for you. You can find them on Amazon, and y'all know what I say about Amazon. Amazon Prime, get your shit on time, girl, okay? There are a lot of people that really feel like I do something to the wig once I'm showing it on the mannequin. So I have decided to just show the hair straight out of the box. To let you ladies know, it's definitely pre-everything. You can just put it on and head out the door. So with that being said, Unice is always here. They nice. You can definitely trust somebody whose name got the word nice in it. They have Amazon. They have LYFT. You can even catch them on their own website. When I tell you they are budget friendly on a budget friendly, okay? Like I don't even know if that goes together, but beauty on a budget is definitely what they serving. You know, it's a pre-everything, pre-pluck, pre-cut, pre-bleach, pre-styled, and pre-approved. Like y'all know, I put in the pre-approved because if I didn't like them and they wasn't nice, I definitely wouldn't be representing. But they definitely come through with the good stuff. Their units are definitely beginner friendly. Let me just tell y'all this. As much as I love those opportunities and options when purchasing a wig, I used to love being able to bleach my own units. And I just felt like the pre-everything was not what I was looking for because I like to put my own spin on it. But then once you get used to the pre-everything and they're definitely your own spin, when you do get like a regular unit that don't have any of those options, you just be like, girl, are you kidding me? You want me to bleach this? Want me to cut the lace? What? Like you want me to do all of that? Girl, no. Can't do that. So Amazon Unice has definitely come through with the best of the best of the best, okay? So this is the unit right here. You see she is pre-tucked in the plastic and ready to be open. I do have a couple of goodies here, which is a wig cap. I do have a melting band. So we also got some tape in this box as well. Now this is a 13x4 and this is actually a body wave. Girl, she is highlighted to the max. I love Unice hair. When I tell you they have some bomb units, girl, you could look like a cutie patootie on a less budget, okay? Girl, listen, if you have never tried Unice, girl, go on Amazon and check them out. They have some really great units. So like I said, it does come with some tape and she is already just pre-everything. This is a 24-inch and she actually does have a roller in her because I can feel it. There goes the roller. So this is what I'm talking about. Pre-styled, pre-bleach, pre-cut. They're making sure that your unit doesn't get crushed. Okay, I love when people take, you know what I'm saying, the extra step just to make sure that the wig wearer is definitely happy. So this is a gorgeous color. I like this a lot. It's giving me like dimension. There's different colors up in here. I'm seeing like a 613, maybe a 33, you know what I'm saying, dark brown root. This is definitely pretty. It's a 13x4 and it is 180% density. So as you guys can see, it definitely comes with some combs on the sides. Okay, so you're getting 2 combs in the front. You're also getting that rubber gripping right here, which helps from the wig slipping back onto, you know what I'm saying, slipping back. Because girl, I've had my moments when my wig was slipping back. Girl, I had to catch my headband wig. But anyway, other than that, you do get like the rubber gripping that helps it stop from slipping back. You also have the combs, pre-bleached knots, so it's also cut. It also does have an adjustable band in the back, a comb, and the best of the best of the best, a drawstring. Because y'all know y'all need the drawstring. If you don't have the drawstring, where you go? But they also do provide tape already on the unit, so that way, you know, you're ready to go. You're set. We're gonna go ahead and put this wig on and see what she do. But from the looks of things, she's very pretty. She's parted in the middle. Y'all know I'm not like really a big middle girly, but we're gonna see how she looks before I even decide to style her any other way. You know what I'm saying? Let's just try that out.
Just text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Ayy, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Look, I'm trying to spend this time with you. Know we overdue. What you doing right now? Baby, won't you swing my way? It's been a day and I've been thinking out loud. I know I want you. Long time since the last time. Got a tab, we could run up. Knew you from the way, now we grown up. My look, yeah, made the realest ones nervous. But if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. We could keep the pace on slow, jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began. No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up. I hate the fact that we lost touch. Yeah. The Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? We was raised little different. Used to be ashamed the way it was. Now I'm paid by the sentence. Taking my time with it. Baby, give me yours, so I could get them butterflies trapped in your rib cage. Let me know we on the same page. Give me with a text, voice note, or an emoji. Waiting all day for your name on the ID. So if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. And we could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up. But I hate the fact that we lost touch. Yeah. The Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do?
All right, y'all, look at this. This came out really, really cute. Y'all know I told y'all I was not like a middle part person. It honestly depends on the hairstyle, the hair color for me to do a middle part. And I just felt like this would definitely be dope as a side part. But y'all, look at the blend in this color from Unice here. When I tell you they came through, they came through. They did the damn thing. Everything. What more can you ask for? Plus, you got the drawstring. So if somebody try to run up on you and take your wig, girl, ain't nobody taking your wig. I like when I'm secure. I need all the security I can get because I damn sure do not want any of my wigs slipping back, okay? But very little work needed to do. If you want to put it on as a middle part and go out the door, girl, go ahead. You good. You good. Color is beautiful on this unit. Very nicely done. I did curl a little bit of the hair only because, you know, I had to repart it. Get you a wig today from Unice here. You can thank me later, girl. If I tell you it's pre-approved by me, girl, you already know it's a good wig. Y'all already know what I be telling y'all. I love me a good wig. Who is about to be out here loving a bad wig? I don't know about y'all, but I cannot go out the house wearing a bad wig. I get it. It's soft girl era, but honey, my wig got to be laid hard, okay? Do it like it's your day, okay? Do it like you're born to slay. I'm just saying. I always be trying to put y'all on. I love y'all. Make sure you check the deets out for this unit. Let me know what y'all think of this one right here. Unice is always the way to go. I'm just saying, if they name have the word nice in it, then it's definitely got to be good, right? They want y'all to look nice. They want y'all to feel nice. And they just trying to be nice. So with that being said, stay diva and divolicious. Make sure you check the deets out below. And if you stay to the end of this video, make sure you put up a purple heart. I love y'all. Happy New Year 2026. May y'all all be blessed. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one.